everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tara. Welcome. So it's Monday. On Mondays we're gonna do an unboxing and a review, or one or the other, whichever products I have for that day. So I was gonna show you guys the bag for the next What's in My Bag. Here she is in our Kipling series. I am loving these metallic bags. Look how beautiful this one is. Of course, I did stuff it so you can see the beautiful shape. It is a new bag. I got this, I believe, on eBay. And this one's name is the Carly, and it is a metallic scuba diver blue. And this is going to be the next bag that we're going to see in the What's in My Bag version of the Kipling series we're doing here for January. Isn't she beautiful? So yeah, this is going to be next. Of course, I don't have any pieces to match this, so I have to get creative. Let's see what I come up with. So be sure that you are subscribed, and you'll be back for Friday's What's in My Bag. Sometimes the video loads a little earlier, so it comes out Thursday evening, Thursday night, and sometimes it doesn't load till like Friday night. Sorry, it's my internet here. So from Thursday to Friday is when the video will be up. But look at this. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to jump in there. So yeah, this is going to be the next one that we're going to do. The What's in My Bag. I'll tell you the name one more time. I think it says Carly. Metallic Scuba. The Scuba Diver Blue. It's very cute. So beautiful in person. So that's the next video, guys. Thank you all for stopping by here. And if you're new here, I am Tara, guys. Please make sure you are subscribed, because there's a lot going to be happening this year. And for my Dooney lovers, of course, the bag of the month has returned. I have ordered it, and as soon as it comes, I will jump on here. We'll do the unboxing, depending on the size of the bag, if I want to keep it for myself, because I don't have that bag. If I don't think, I'll be like really honest with myself, if I don't think I'll be using it, if it's a smaller bag, I am going to gift it to one of my subbies. So make sure you are subbed, and you are also following me on my Instagram. I will link my Instagram on the bottom here, because that is where I notify whoever I'm going to gift a bag to. So it'll be all on the bottom for you guys. So let's do our unbagging. Okay, I just got this literally as I was getting ready. The mailman brought it. It's my newest pieces. Of course, they are Kipling. Okay, and I did buy it from eBay again. I've been having a lot of luck with eBay lately. So this was a 4-piece, said new Kipling bag lot, zipper coin case, monkey pencil holder, and it's called apparently Very Berry Bis. That's what it says. So it was 4 pieces. I paid, I think, $80, which I think is good because they are new with tags. So this is the bag. I'm assuming everything is in the inside. So this is Bis, or Bess, Very Berry. It's a crossbody. It's my newest Kipling. I have a couple more new ones I haven't shown yet. Those are going to be shown this month. And I think I have one more unboxing coming for the Kiplings. Look how cute. Okay, so today we are reviewing this one. Look how cute. On the inside it's beautiful. This taupey color. It has a zipper pocket in the back. Key. And then it has a big flat pocket here. It is a smaller bag. I'm going to say that it's a lot smaller than I thought. But I didn't buy it for the bag itself. I bought it for the pieces that it came with. It has a monkey. Monkey's name is, what is his name? Aaliyah. She is a crossbody. It is adjustable. So I do have that green crossbody as well. I mean, they are user friendly. I do enjoy using them. I don't stay in them long, maybe a day or two, but this is the size of the crossbodies that I have. Oh, here she is, Bess. I want to say Bess in the very berry color. That was the first piece, and I had to get it for this piece alone. I think this is one of those pieces like the Dooney collectors. We all have to have a kiss lock, and we all have to have one of those little coin cases. I think this is a piece like that. I've never seen this in person. I love it. So cute. And this one's name is Marguerite. Berry combo, it says. Oh, it's because it's a berry with the orange. Okay. So these were listed as new with tag, but looking at them, I think they might have been used or not stored in a nice clean area. It's okay. I will give them a good scrubbing. Look at the inside. Beautiful. It has that Kipling logo. It is adorable. I did need one for my collection. I'm happy I got it. So, adorbs. Of course, all these did fit in there. So, if I do move into it, I'll just add some extra other pieces. And we will do a what's in my bag on this as well. And then it came with the pencil case. I love this. I was looking for something like this in that metallic so I can use it. But I couldn't find one. I think these metallics are more rare. I'm not sure. Anybody who's a Kipling expert here, let me know. Are the metallics more rare? Is that why I couldn't find any pieces? So this one is the Fabian. Very berry again. Has a little monkey. I love that. It comes with monkey. The monkey doesn't have a name, or where's his name? Emma. Look at that. So cute. Beautiful zipper. Just a basic pencil case. I love it. Love it. This one says Back to School Kipling. So that's the other piece. And then there's, of course, oh, I've seen these on Lori's channel. I know Lori is no longer doing bags. She is just going to be doing her instruments. And I'm all for it, you know, whatever makes her happy. I still love her. She was really nice in showing her Kiplings. And this is what drew me to Kipling, was watching Lori. And she has, I think, a couple of these pieces. But she's no longer doing that. But this is where I saw mostly the Kiplings on, I want to say, Lori, and then on Clara's channel. I will link Clara on the bottom because I know she still does, and she's a PSA. And I know she's going to join in. She did say she'll join in. She's going to show her Kipling, so I will link her on the bottom. But look at this. Wow. It's like the Kipling sign. It's like a rubber. It's a coin case. So I'm assuming these are like stuff just like our Dooney coin case and kiss lock, where everybody would like to have one in their collection, if not many more. And they're about the same size. I love it. When I saw it in that lot, I was like, this is worth getting it just for these. What is this one called? Did I say it? Marguerite. It says Marguerite. Very berry. Sorry, I can't see that. I don't have my glasses. But yeah, it's just a big coin case. Double-sided. There you have it. And it is in the color, of course, very berry. So that was my video for today, guys. Thank you to everyone who watched. I'm going to link on the bottom all the What's in My Bag playlists. I'm also going to link all the Kipling playlists on the bottom, because some of the pieces I have already on there you guys probably haven't seen. You can go watch. And then, of course, we are going to be doing on Friday a What's in My Bag on this one. So thank you all for stopping by. Hey, can I mix these? What do you think? That would be rare. Thank you guys for stopping by. And I am Tara. If you're new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. This one. Mwah. Bye.